And in the last video, we completed level 1. And today we are on level 2, and I remember we showed you this level and we became a triangle, so we got better and our health got down. So that's pretty bad. And we got some health. We got melon, and now we need to kill this dude. There we go. And I want to complete my death score here. Hopefully it got a little bit down because I started from the very beginning. And there we go. Past that part. Here we need to go that way now. Now we need to go right. There's a monkey and a bat. That's not really a problem because we already know how to defeat them. We don't take the cigarettes because they just kill you, and the spikes sometimes pop out from the ground, which is also pretty dangerous. And there is also an annoying part where we died. Yeah, remember? So we need to be careful there, and this jump really scared me because I thought there would be spikes. So, oh, I see cats.
On the left.
Right. I mean on the left.
On the left.
He's up there.
Ice cream.
To the ice cream. Now let's go down. And there's a bottle. Let's take the bottle. Oh, it turned into a bird. Funny. So there's rock. And those are the spikes I was talking about.
Oh, life on the right. Don't forget to pick up the extra life. Oh, 7. You got an extra life.
Okay, let's get, oh, the turtle. He's pretty mean. Okay, now let's go and, oh no, not that dude. Oh, we're now invisible. So the invisibility, they also don't see us, so that's pretty good. So we can just kill all the enemies without them seeing us. And without taking damage. So that's pretty good. Get up. Jump. And let's pass. There's some crazy stuff underneath us, but do a jump. Well, that's the mouse. I thought cats should attack a mouse.
Oh, we can take the balloon.
Let's take the balloon. Yeah.
You got 2 keys now.
Smack him. Ooh. Stop him. And here we need to be really lucky. Woo! Pretty much in time. Jump! Oh, he's taking damage. Oh no. No.
There is a kitten on the left here.
Take
you remember?
Take the kitten.
Yeah, we have 2 keys.
Nice. Very nice. Go. 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 Amazing. Just jump up.
Oh, the wings! The wings! The wings let him fly. On the right hand side, Danny, there is a extra life. Take it.
Yeah.
Wow, now we have 8 lives. This game is called 9 lives, so we need another life to be safe, 100%.
So that, nice. Now you go right.
There is a chicken on the left.
Now we take the left. Chicken.
Let's take the chicken, but be careful, there are spikes. Yeah.
Chicken gives us super health. Oh no, we need to run.
Run on the right.
Get out of here.
Now we are gonna go in the water, I think. There is water. There is gonna be soon water.
Get out of here, spider.
Soon there is gonna be water. First, before going into the water.
Wait, we got the levitating.
Oh,
Nice.
Kato is like cat food, huh? It's like
Oh,
is that kid?
nice.
Whiskas. We give him strength.
Is that Felix?
What kind of cat food is that? Okay.
Looks like Felix.
Ah yeah, don't forget there is another kitten on the left.
Yeah.
Let's rescue him. Here, oh, see? There is another kitten.
The cat food looks like
Oh.
Felix. I think here we died, yeah?
Yeah, we died here last time.
The cat food that we took looks like Felix. Because Felix is also black. You know, I think getting up is pretty hard. But getting down is okay. Take the chocolate.
Chocolate?
I like chocolate. Not
Here,
that much.
you need a very little jump here.
Okay.
Very tiny because there are spikes.
Thank
There are
you
spikes
for advising me.
everywhere. Be careful.
Spike World.
This is spike water. Now there is water. Now the water start. Before going into the water, pick up the cake.
Run.
Oh.
No, the
I
dinosaur.
think there is a tomato there, but there is a spike as
Tomato.
well.
Take the tomato.
Yeah, there is a spike. Be careful to the spike. When the spike
Take
goes
the tomato.
now, when you go to the water, don't forget to pick up. There is a kitten on the right.
Run, 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 run. We don't care about all the enemies. We
Yeah,
don't
it's
care.
better. It's better to lose a little bit of energy rather than
We
losing the
don't care.
life. Yeah.
We don't care. We don't care.
Here,
We don't
last
care
time,
about the enemies.
Danny, you forgot here on the right. You see, there is on the right. There is a kitten.
Oh, I forgot.
You forgot. This is.
But now I learn.
You see, now you learned.
Yeah.
This time you didn't forget to pick up the kitten. Yeah, now pick up banana. Pick up the key. Actually here there is no kitten, it's just a key. Wow, we came here just for a key. And unfortunately, if you don't come here to pick up that key, the game will not be completable. You'll not be able to complete this level if you don't pick up the key, unfortunately. This game now, from level 2, start getting a little bit long. Yeah, you need to do this kind of things just for a key, to pick up a key, but unfortunately this is the way it works. Let's try now to survive until the next oxygen. Next oxygen should be near. No, where is it? Where is the oxygen? I think we are gonna die now. Because we have little energy. And the oxygen is very far. Unfair game. This part is a little bit unfair, to be honest. Oxygen! Ah, we died. The oxygen was just there. Yeah, unfortunately, this game is a little bit unfair, to be honest. How can you reach that without losing a life? It's okay, at least we took the key. We took the key. Okay, we took the key. Let's now take the oxygen. We are good. We are running out of oxygen again. Okay, now we need to go up. I think up there is an extra life to collect. Up before we go left. So, one thing good, we don't pick up the oxygen now. We pick up the oxygen in the way back. We don't need it now. We have enough oxygen now. We just need to go up now. Up, 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 up. I see it here. Yeah, good. This is a tricky part. It's a very tricky part. We need to jump immediately on the right without trying to lose a life. So like that. Whoops. Okay, this is may take me a while. It's not that simple. Like this. Okay, we did it very quickly. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Here, unfortunately, yeah, this is. I think this is. No. Oh my goodness. I need that chicken. Let's pick up the chicken and immediately go. Yeah, then we need to go to the left. Here there should be a kitten on the left. On the right, should be a kitten to rescue. Oops. Now we take the cat or food after we rescue the chicken, the kitten. There is a kitten to rescue. No! Goodness sake, we died.
Oh.
Sorry, yeah, we died because the... It's okay. Rushing is no good. Just take your time. Take your time, Danny. Rescue the kitten.
Good.
Rescue the kitten, but be careful when you jump. Oh, the gorilla.
Where?
There was a gorilla. Take the fish. The fish on the right.
Fish gives you energy.
Fish gives a lot of energy. We can also get the cat or food. Let's wait for the spike
Let's
to go.
call it Felix.
Let's take the Felix.
Kitty.
Oh my goodness. Elsa spike is very scary.
Kitty cat, come on.
That's scary. This, Danny, this is need to jump towards. You need to jump, eat like that. Jump like this. Yeah. Otherwise, you die if you go there.
Yeah, you don't need to jump here.
That was clever, isn't it? To avoid losing a life. You need to hit the
I
wall.
didn't notice that. I didn't notice that before.
Yeah, because if you hit with the head, if you hit the wall, then it falls down vertically without hitting. Then you don't. That's a trick, really.
Yeah.
This level 2 is very long, but no. We only rescued three kittens, but we are doing well. Only lost one life.
Yeah, I know.
Now actually there is an extra life here.
Let's
go to take. There is an extra life to collect here. I know it takes a little. It takes like 2 or 3 minutes to take it, but it's worth it. Oh, at least we take a little bit of oxygen. Yeah, here is a trap. Just jump on the left with all the jump. Full jump left. See? Oops. Oh. This penguin is annoying. Now we need to jump when.
So cool.
Yeah, we need to jump here and immediately to the right. Oh my goodness. It was supposed to be an extra life here. We just came here for an ice cream. We came here just for an ice cream. Are you kidding me? I knew there was something else to pick up.
Maybe you need to go down.
No, down. There is something else. No, we are dead! Mean. Wow, if you do a wrong jump.
Maybe you just need to go down.
Yeah, we need to go down to the left. Left. here. No, but there is just an egg. We came here just for an egg. It's okay, Danny. It was not an extra life. Sorry.
You tricked
We came here just for an egg. It's
me.
fine.
You tricked me.
Oh, there is an extra life. I told you there was an extra life. You see? Now we have 7 life.
But no more energy.
Yeah, we lost a lot of energy to pick up this extra life.
You tricked me.
It's okay. Sometimes happen. What can we do? Now we need to jump on the other side.
Nice. We got an extra life.
Ah! No! Okay. We got an extra time. We have full oxygen. Let's go back to the left now. Now we have 7 lives. But very little energy. I think we are gonna run out of energy now.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, these are very mean. We have 2 options. Or we lose, or we run out of energy. We run out of energy. We had oxygen, but not enough energy. I told you, these fish are very mean.
Yeah. It just bites you. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh my god. The frog.
I may have a lot of lives. Still 6 lives are enough. 6 lives are enough to complete. More oxygen.
Nice.
Yeah, up. I think there
You know the
is.
fishies are like a cute fish.
Up there is a kitten to rescue here. I'm not sure there is. Actually, no. There is an extra life. There is another extra life here to pick up.
Nice. Very nice.
You know, there's an extra life and energy as well. Oops! Be careful. Cat of food. Pick up cat of food.
It's not cat of food.
What
It's
is
Felix.
Felix? Sorry.
Felix is a real brand, not cat.
Ah, not smoke! Smoking. Unfortunately, you have to give up a little bit of energy. But we will pick up an extra life.
Oh my god, he's coughing.
Yes, smoking is not good. Smoking is not good, but there is an extra life here on the right.
A cat cannot even smoke.
Yeah, there is an extra. Oh, there is a gorilla who wants to kill us. There is an extra life.
Like the gorilla. Remember which gorilla in the game?
Yeah, this is our 3rd life. Extra life. Gorilla wants to kill us.
Remember there was a game about a gorilla that puts the barrels down and then you need to run.
I think it was Donkey Kong.
Yeah, it was Donkey Kong.
They copied it from Donkey Kong.
Copycats.
Yeah. Yeah, these people copy Donkey
And this
Kong.
game is also about a cat. Hmm. Come on, you're running out of oxygen.
Oh! This is very tricky. Very tricky now. Very tricky. This is very tricky. Do you remember how to do this part?
Yeah.
You have now
Oh.
spike at the bottom, so you need to jump very quickly on the left. Yeah, let's see.
This
Jump
is the
now.
bad part.
Now, and now. Ah! That liquid it makes you fast, makes the game faster. You know what I mean? If the game moves faster, it's impossible to do it. So it's very difficult.
Jump.
You don't jump. Yeah. See, it's easier when you don't. You have just to give up a life there. You need to give up a life because that's.
Maybe just don't take it.
No, you cannot. You have to take it. That's why that's why the game is unfair sometimes. You know, it forces you to lose a life unless you are very good at it. If you are very good at it, probably you can do that in
Kill
a
the
fast.
bug.
Because it's like increase the speed of the game. So you need to be extremely
Oh,
quick.
the whole game?
Yeah, when you take that
It
blue,
deceives you.
of course,
It deceives you. That way it doesn't put any enemies to show that it was makes the speed of the whole game.
increase the speed of the whole game. Ah, yeah. Wow, lucky. 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 Oh no. Okay. Too early.
Oh, mamma mia.
You jumped too early.
No.
Now it's good, you see?
No.
Ah, there is an extra life there. Go to pick it up. Pick up the extra life. At least.
We need to get that extra life right now.
Exactly. This game is very generous in extra life, you see?
Right now.
Give me
you
another.
You never heard me saying right now.
7. Now you are back to 7. 7 life now.
But it must be 9.
Yeah, we should go back to 9.
What do you think? Is 9 lives the maximum?
This game is called 9 lives because he has got 9 lives maximum, yeah. A cat has got 9 lives. No more than 9 lives. Can you have more than 9 lives? We can try. I mean, this game is impossible.
Does not have 9 lives.
In this game, it's very hard to keep 9 lives.
Well, a cat does not have 9 lives. When it dies, it doesn't just pop up again.
Yeah, but this is they say that a cat has got 9 lives. People say.
But it just looks like 9 lives because when a cat falls from a window, it survives, like it has a life. It died, and now it has 8 lives, yeah?
You remember how cat?
A person when falls down from a window
dies.
He dies. That's why they say it has 9 lives.
That's why they call it 9 lives.
And then when the 9th time they fall down, they die because their legs are already broken and they can't protect themselves. This is what I call.
Now this, you see, we pick up the ghost. The ghost stops all the enemies. You see?
It's a snowman.
Yeah. You see, they stop moving.
It's the snowman.
Ah, sorry, it's a snowman.
It's the snowman.
Yeah, it's a snowman.
It's the snowman.
Sorry, it's not. It looks like a ghost actually, but it's a snowman.
Maybe it's actually a ghost with a.
It's a. It looks like a ghost snowman.
Maybe it's a ghost with a scarf.
Exactly, it looks like a boat, ghost and snowman at the same time.
Maybe it's a ghost with a scarf. Yeah.
Ah, there is a key on the left.
Take the key.
Take the key.
When are we going to finish the snow?
Yeah, this is very close to the end now. Yeah, we need to go to rescue the kitten on the right. There is Donkey Kong here as well. Be careful to Donkey Kong.
How many Donkey Kongs are there?
Yeah, they put a lot. Oh no, we died.
Oh,
the jump. Here you have to jump very, very precisely. That's the annoying part of this game. If you jump too much, yeah, see, if you jump too much, it's no good.
Donkey Kong just
Yeah, unfortunately, this is the way it works.
Donkey Kong, shut up with your barrels.
But we still have another 6 life.
Oh my God. Foxy, Boxy. Foxy and Foxy.
We have plenty of lives.
Oh my God, I'm super fast, yeah.
Yeah, this fastness, I don't like it. It's too fast for my... You need to have very strong reflex, very quick reflex. Yeah. Yeah, it's because it's this fast. When the game is too fast.
Does the music even get faster? Like.
Yeah. Wow! Only one kitten to rescue, and 5 life. 5 life, and the game is finishing almost.
Not the game, the video.
I mean the video. I mean level 2. We just need to show level 2. And you remember you beat my score. My score was 140,000, so now you are 42,000. 100.
139.
Yeah, see, last time you reached 139, so now you already improved your score. Yeah, you are doing very well. Are you gonna do next week a video to show how to complete level 3? So level 2 now, you know it very well. You are doing very well now in level 3. Oh, I said that too early.
Yeah.
Ah,
Why do I die?
the jump was too much. Do a little jump.
Yeah. That was too.
Yeah, you need to do not too fast, not too long, because if it's too long, you die. Like this, maybe? Yeah, like this is okay. 2 meter jump, you need. Ah, yeah, this was too short.
What the heck?
Dan, you are showing to everybody that this game is difficult.
And I wanted to say that it's really easy.
This game is very difficult still. I mean, this is just a proof. To pass level 2 is fine, but it requires a lot of practice. So next time you practice a lot, you reach level 3 with 6 lives. So you need to do more practice, obviously, to pass level 2 with reach level 3 with 6 lives.
Yeah.
This is just like to show how difficult is level 2, but it's difficult but not impossible.
Not exactly. It's pretty hard, but it's okay.
It can be done. Can be done. Can be done.
It's not impossible. It's not easy. It's just hard.
Exactly.
Yeah?
No, we died again.
Impossible.
Ah!
Impossible is like something to walk on the roof and also touch the floor. That's impossible, yeah?
Yeah, that's impossible.
For a baby and for a human. Because you can't walk on the wall, you can't scratch like a plush toy and touch the floor. That's impossible. But if they just said, I'm gonna pass a hard game, that's possible. Yeah? That's possible. Something impossible is that what was never done. So if no one done it, it's impossible. If someone completed a hard game, then it's just hard, yeah? It's not impossible. If someone completed something, it's...
There are spikes here. I'm wait for the
impossible.
spike. Yeah, the spike are there.
Yeah, it's just... Impossible is a thing that if no one completed...
There is another extra life, I think, here.
No!
So we are gonna have 3 lives, so it's fine. Even though, you see, this game is very generous. Even though you lost 3-4 lives in this level, now it gives you another extra life. So...
I got 3 lives.
Yeah, it's fine.
Which is a third of 9.
It's fine. The game is generous at least. Oh, let's take the chocolate. No. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, spikes are there on the right. My goodness, this level is infinite.
Where is the last kitten?
The last kitten, where is he? This level is almost like half an hour to complete. It takes half an hour to complete. Yeah, it's long. But we are almost at the end of it. Yeah, what do you think about this level 2? How easy or difficult it was for you?
Well, it's much difficult than level 1. And much longer.
Yeah. I mean twice longer.
Well, twice longer. Because it's level 2. But if you practice, you might get it.
Yeah. This was a week, isn't it? 1 week practice. 1 week practicing. Not long, I mean. No, we died! Ah, the oxygen was just there. It's okay. I mean, it requires a little bit of practice.
If I don't even pass this level, I am going to shout at the pillar.
No, this level, you must pass it. Otherwise, we have to redo the video. Do you want to redo the video? This is the video. This video is called How to Pass Level 2. So we have to pass it.
If we don't even pass it,
then we cannot call it How to Pass Level 2.
Then we'll just call it a mistake of the world.
Mistake of word 2, yeah. Oh, sorry, we forgot to pick up the key. There is a key on the left, you see?
Oh, shit.
It's okay, don't worry. We go to pick up the key now. Otherwise, the level will be incomplete. We forgot. If you don't pick up that key, the game... Yeah, the game will be... The game will be uncompletable.
We don't even have enough.
It's okay, we need that key.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we need that key. We need that key.
Why am I so clumsy?
Yeah, we need that key. Yeah, this key. We need this key.
Why am I so clumsy?
Yeah, unfortunately, you cannot complete the game without this
Do
key.
you need to do that?
Unfortunately, without this key, you cannot complete the level 2.
No.
They made it so long.
No, I mean swear.
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, this is the most difficult part of level 2. Now, Danny.
Bye, turtle.
Danny, look at half. Yeah, from this box. Jump on the box.
Okay. Oh my god.
Let's jump on the box. Oh. Let's see if you jump on the box. And then jump. Ah, no. Okay, you cannot actually. Okay, I think you need to jump halfway. Now. Ah, no. We have last life. If we don't pass it, then we have to do another video.
I don't want to do another video.
Yeah, man, the jump need to be perfect like this. Yeah. Phew.
Don't let me do a mistake.
No, Danny, don't worry. This level is gonna be complete now.
I am.
How to complete level 2 with a little bit of suffering. Eventually, but it's okay. Oh, mamma mia.
That was so close.
Let's take the invisibility.
That scared me. Do the spikes
This
kill
game is scary.
Do the spikes kill us with the invisibility?
Yeah, you die with invisibility.
You still die. Tomato!
The last cut is here.
Boxy.
Yeah, the last cut. So this video is how to pass level 2. Yeah, we don't want to really teach you to master the game yet. We hope that this is just enough to show you how to pass level 2. That's it. You know, if you can reach level 2, Danny, it's already a win. It's already enough. I mean, you don't need to complete the game.
Wait, I collected all the cats.
Yeah. Now we need to find the exit.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, we just need to find the exit now. We have only 1 life left.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, unfortunately, this is the way the game is.
No. Tom and Jerry.
Tom and Jerry. Ice cream. Take the ice cream.
Give me energy.
Yeah, this game is tiring. Goodness sake. No! Yeah, no, don't take that. It's poison.
What is poison?
Poison, it will let you spin. You start spinning and then the spikes will kill you. Yes, it's very mean, this game. Why gives you poison just near the spike? Because he wants you to die. Just in front of the spike. Oh my goodness, this is difficult. Ah, no, I think you can go to the right. Try jumping on the right.
Yeah, that's just.
That's a trap. That was a trap.
Especially at one heart.
You don't need that spike. That elevator is a trap. I need to go to left. Go left. Yeah, left, and then jump the max.
The monkey is dancing.
Yeah, this is the end of level 2. We did it.
Please can I say that this is the last 10 centimeters?
The last 10 centimeters. What else do you want to tell about level 2?
It is the most longest thing
In
I've
the
done
world.
in my life.
Yeah, see? Is it long, isn't it?
I'm just a kid. Why do they give me exit? The man with the gun that waits for a duel.
You are just a kid, but you did something
exit.
phenomenal. Something phenomenal. You are a pro. You are a pro.
I'm not a coward. Where's that spikes?
You are a pro, Danny. You did level 2!
I'm not a coward.
The Great Outdoors is the next. Well done, Danny.
The Great Outdoors is level 3.
What are you gonna show us next week? 155,000. Let's see how much. Okay, let's now complete the game. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh!
What the heck?
No, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Next time you show level 3.
us to hell! Bro. Thank you so much for watching. Next week, I am going to complete level 3. And
155,000. Well done, Danny. You beat my previous score. It's a very good score. So, see you next week for level 3.
Outdoors, and I did not expect those spikes just come out of the ground.
Yeah, be careful next time. Do it better. Reach level 3 with 6 lives. Thank you for watching.